Welcome, 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 one and all. Welcome, welcome. Good evening, good morning, good day, good night. Whatever time it is, wherever you are, bring up your damn self. This is your boy, Apple Boss. With another edition of Apple Boss Walking TV. Welcome, one and all. I am your boy, Apple Boss, and this is Apple Boss Walking TV. And another edition, another journey around London town. It's a beautiful evening, and I'm having a stroll, giving you a highlight. What's going on in London town? So here we are. If you're first time here, big up yourself. Welcome, welcome. I am Apple Boss, and this is Apple Boss Walking TV. Welcome, welcome. For your first time here, you know what time it is. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a like. The next video I'm gonna put out, you can get it. The same, big up on yourself, man, and welcome. All of my subscribers already, big up on yourself. Thanks for the love and the support. Means a lot to I and I, you see? Well, I'm taking you up on another journey. So here it is. Don't know what's gonna happen tonight. Here I'm going. I'm just walking. This is South London. And I am Apple Boss. And this is Apple Boss Walking TV. And I walk to them and I drive to them and I walk. So relax, kick back, relax and enjoy the ride. Get a cup of tea. Get a cup of tea, a glass of wine, a bottle of beer, a big spliff. Whatever you do when you're relaxing, do it. Angry a banger. I make you see what I want. Watch what I want. You see, it's a lovely evening and I'm strolling through London. I'm giving you a tour through London. If you don't know what London look like, are you interested? Want to see what London look like? This is it. Get up on the right channel. So I say, if you used to live in London and you don't live here no more, and you want to see what the place look like after you left, run come here so then Apple Boss do it for you. Apple Boss show you what go on, you see? Peace and love. Pick up on the damn self. The evening is so cool and lovely. This is what I like. I like when it's cool and lovely like this, brother. Yeah. This is how London's supposed to be. This is how it's supposed to feel. And here goes your big London red bus. It's another lovely day. True, man. Take on down for the river side, look. Show you what the River Thames is like. What's going on the River Thames in the night time. Let's go do this. And this is South London, Deptford, South London. Heading towards Greenwich. That's where I'm heading. Greenwich. That is where I'm heading. Greenwich. Iceland Food Warehouse. will have to suffer. Yo, Massive and crew. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Wherever you are, whatever time it is, morning, evening, noon or night, big up your damn self. I am your boy, Apple Boss. If for your first time here, you know what to do. If you don't know, I'm gonna tell you what to do. I would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. If you watch out this video, even a minute tight. If you watch a minute tight, you subscribe. If you watch it to the end, give yourself a round of applause and then you subscribe. Please and thank you. Hit the notification bell so you can get one. The next video I'm going to push it out, brother. See? That's all. It don't cost you nothing. Just subscribe, it's for free. You're just helping Apple Boss to grow. And I appreciate that. Yo, big up your damn self. You see? You're helping Apple Boss to grow, and Apple Boss appreciate that. So thank you very much. I see you going to like it. I see you gonna subscribe. Yeah man, do the right thing, brother. Subscribe for me, please and thank you. Please, thank you. Subscribe to the channel for me. Even if you don't have my time for watching the video, subscribe. When you find the time, you can watch the video. Just subscribe, please and thank you. Hit the notification bell. And leave a like. If that's what you like. Thank you in advance. You see me? This is what we're doing. Not tourist walk, man, trust me. You're not gonna see, you're not gonna watch this video to the end to see the end. And the end gonna be great. Where I'm heading right now. Trust me. You guys gonna wanna see where I'm heading right now. Stay tuned and keep watching the video. And you see where I'm heading. See? You're gonna love it. You're just gonna love where I'm heading. Trust me on that. You're gonna just love it. You're gonna love it. Where I'm heading. Trust me, I go on see it, so stay tuned. Watch this to the end. The fun part there at the end. I'm not joke, I'm not ever capping. Nah. It's another day. You know the summer done now. This is the last of the summer. Yeah man, the last of summer this in Britain. Yesterday was carnival. You know when carnival done, Some are done. Back to normal. You see it? Britain come back to normal. Britain come back to normal. Cold front, winter, snow, all of the above. But I like the cold time. I don't mind it. I like the cold time. I love it when it's cold up here. When it's sunny, I don't like it. Too hot and miserable. Yeah, man. I'm glad it's gone. I'm glad it's gone. It's over. This is the last of the summer. Yo, my people, big up on yourselves. This is Upper Boss. Another edition of Upper Boss Walking TV. Taking on a tour around London town again. Okay? This is what we do. And that's the River Thames. That's part of the River Thames. Okay? And that's where I'm going, by the River Thames. I give you guys a shoot down there. Let you see what's going on down on the Thames. Give you that view. Alright, so stay tuned. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it, man. See, that's a London look, man. You see it? Beautiful. Absolutely, I deal with. It's another day in London, South London. South London, Greenwich. South London, Greenwich. This is where times make. This is where time originates. Greenwich, London, Greenwich. In case you never know. Okay? It's a famous place. Very famous place. So here it is, here it is, here we go again. I can't walk. When I can go for the Thames, I must can't do that. I'm not going to cut off of this and go up on the Thames walk. You see? No joke. Must can't walk. That's a go spot me I go. So I'm taking off of the main a little. I'm up on a side street. You see it? This is what we do. This is how we do it in London town. All right, people. We're getting there. Have no fear, Upper Boss is here. Yeah, man. That's the more I come. That's the more I start the journey. So, Here I am. This is the Thames.
That peak of things.
London River Thames. You see it? See it there? See it there? Call over there some Canary Wharf. Big city. All the big business happens. That's Canary Wharf. Over there you got all the monies. All of the money them over there, sir. You see? That's the River Thames, people. That's the River Thames. So my mission is to go. I want to head over there. I want to go over here, people. Yeah? And there is no road, as you can see. It's just bare water to get over there. There is road to get over there, but not, you're gonna have to drive around. So, but I wanna get over there. So, for me to get over there, I'm gonna have to walk underneath the river. So that's the plan. Only hope the place, the entrance is open. If the entrance is open, I can do that. Can you imagine that? Yeah, I can walk right through underneath the river to go Canary Wharf. So let's see if the entrance is open. The big cannon there. Big cannon that. But then use and fire upon the enemy then. One more there.
Good for people, it's not.
Alright, my peeps. Wonder if it can happen. I don't know. But I'm gonna try and see if we can do it. Yes, then. And that's the Cottisar ship. That's the Cottisar. Yeah, see it there? Big famous ship. Have loads of history. Yeah. Loads of history. From it dock there it no move again. From way back when our tourist attraction started. See it there, man? See it there? I want to go over this time. I want to go over this. It's a good walk. It's a fucking good walk, people. Trust me. So I'm gonna see if the entrance is open. If we can do it in the night, I'm gonna know. But I know during the day they can do it. So let's see. Yeah, man. Shit. Now, here we go. Here we go. So now I'm heading underneath the river. See, I'm going underneath the river Thames. So when I leave these stairs, I'm gonna be right underneath the River Thames. No joke, people. That's a long walk. Get up in bicycle, go all the way up these stairs. Believe it or not, people, it's the first time I come down here. Yeah. I'm gonna make this walk for you guys. I'm definitely gonna make this walk for you guys. See it there? No. See the people know I'm underneath the river. Trust me, when I say I'm underneath the river, I'm walking through the River Thames from one destination to the other. Remember I showed you the river? And I told you I'm going underneath there. And this is it. This is cool. I've never, all the years with there in England, I've never been through there, people. No joke. I've never been through this tunnel. So this takes you from Greenwich to Canary Wharf. And as I said, we're underneath the River Thames. This is under the River Thames. This is Britain at the best engineering. The best engineering, bro. This is so cool. Trust me, this is really cool. I've never known this was here. At 20 odd years with London. And this is the first time I've ever come through this tunnel, people. I never did even know it could happen. I did. And my daughter ended up telling me too. And my daughter ended up telling the people, so watch out. Did you know you can walk from here to over there? I said, how is that possible? And she said, there's a road underneath the River Thames that's take you from one end to the other. And I'm like, really? I'm gonna have to see that then? I'm gonna just get up today and say, watch out. I'm gonna make that video today. And look how beautiful is this. No joke. This is lovely. That's a tunnel going through the River Thames. You got loads of tunnels still that go through. Like the Blackwall Tunnel, we make a video of that. That goes underneath the River Thames also. There's a lot. But this one surprised me, shocked me. I've never known about this one. I told people, I never know. This was here, man. And this is so cool. It's not even far. Easy walk. So I leave from Greenwich and now I'm heading to Canary Wharf. And this is underneath the river. They made this tunnel to the river. So I'm gonna take you on the other side and show you where I'm coming from. Yeah, I'm gonna make a next video of this tunnel also. I like it. Damn. Can you imagine this? Now walk through the big River Thames to those outskirts there. That is so crazy. How didn't I know this before? Not during line, yes, sir. Okay. Judge. How cool is that? No, man, we'll go back up the stairs. Let me see if I want to do this. I need to anyway. This is crazy, people. I'm heading into Canary Wharf now. Yeah. When I leave here, so with the Canary Wharf. It's a walk, but it's worth the walk. All the bicycle man, they make you sight. Tired people. I'm tired. I'm gonna reach the other side of the river. Shabba. See the people. I told you. Yeah. Give thanks and praise. Wow. So I'm on the other side. I'm in Greenwich now. I'm in Canary Wharf, sorry. I'm in Canary Wharf now, people. Can you imagine that? How cool is that? See where I'm coming from? You see? Look good now, people, man. Look good, man. So when this is where I come from now. This is my entrance there. This is where I enter from. That round building. That's where I'm coming from. And up on the other side, I see the boat there go along. See some lie. That's the River Thames. See it there? So me live over that side of London. That's the next side of London, south side. I'm on the next side of London. You understand? See it there, man? How beautiful is that, brother? No joke. How cool is that? Now this is Canary Wharf here. Alright, now I'm gonna side. That's Canary Wharf for you. Now I'm in Canary Wharf. I mean, now I make this video too long. Now I make it too long at all. Make the next one go back. It's a beautiful walk. I enjoy this walk, I'm telling you that. Your first time here, I am Upper Boss, and this is Upper Boss Walking TV, taking you on another tour. A notorious walk around London. Walking through River Thames. From one destination to the other. That's Upper Boss style. You see? And this is it. So now we are in Canary Wharf, people. You see what I say? Different side of London. See it, man? It take me half an hour from my house to come over here. That is cool. That is so cool. So definitely make this video half an hour. So welcome again, people. Big up on the damn self. For your first time here, you just arrived. I am Upper Boss, and this is Upper Boss Walking TV. For your first time here, I appreciate you subscribe to the channel for me. Hit the notification bell and leave a like. And make a comment if you want to. You see what I say? But I appreciate that to the max. Thank you for the support, thank you for the love. Thanks for everything. You see what I say? Thanks in advance to subscribe to the channel. If it's your first time here. All the long time subscribers, big up on yourself. Upper Boss, love and respect for that. You understand? Upper Boss just take you on a tour through London, River Thames, from one destination to the other. Now I'm going back So big up on the damn self and have a beautiful day. Have a beautiful morning, evening, noon or night, wherever you are, whatever time it is. Big up your damn self. I am Happy Boss. And this is Happy Boss Walking TV. Take you on another edition around London town. So peace and love. Till later. See you guys again. Say it, man. Happy Boss. Peace and love. Thanks for the support. Thanks for everything. So I say it's a beautiful walk. And you guys deserve it. You understand? So big up on yourself. Salute. Have a peaceful evening, morning, noon or night, whatever time it is, wherever you are. I am Happy Boss and this is Happy Boss Walking TV. See you on the next journey. Peace. Out. Love.